Hey everyone, Neil Patel here. Welcome to the new Answer the Public. Let me show you how to get the most out of it. You have two ways to start. Search any keyword like you always have, or drop in your website URL. When you use your URL, Answer the Public reads your site and builds a business summary. Who you are, who you sell to, and the topics you should own. From that point on, every idea and every article is filtered through your business. Head to Suggested for You, your content command center. You'll see AI-generated ideas with hidden gems, tagged best for AI visibility, short tail, and long tail, plus our famous keyword wheel and your next 50 content ideas. These refresh over time, so check back often. Here's the best part. You can generate content with one click from anywhere, from our top suggestions, from the wheel, or from the table. One click and Content Studio runs a 5-step process. It researches top-ranking pages, pulls facts and stats, builds the outline, writes in your brand voice, and refines for natural flow. Grab a coffee if you want. We'll email you when it's ready. Once your article is ready, you're in full control. Add your own images, rewrite any paragraph, or select any part of the text and ask our AI to regenerate just that section. A plagiarism score runs in the background using the most reliable API available. On the right panel, Overview gives you word count and links, SERP shows the top Google results you're ranking against, and Research shows every cited fact with sources. Connect your WordPress in Settings, hit Publish, and you're live. You can also set your brand voice, image style, article length, and target country, all in Settings. The fastest path to value. Add your website, check Suggested for You, generate your first article, and connect WordPress. Everything else you'll discover as you go. Have fun exploring and start ranking.